So next is 2. Let's click on it and see what's actually with it. Because remember, read the description, the hints, and then move into solving. So here we have, can you convert the number 42 base 10 to binary base 2? So submit your answer in a competition flag format. For example, if your answer is 111, you would submit picoctf. Yeah, we're now converting from decimal into binary. So the number 42 is a decimal. We have 42 base 10. That's a decimal. And so the best way to do this is convert using a Python script that will take in input integers in base 10 and convert into base 2 by dividing it by 2, and the remainder is stored for the binary base 2 answer, which will always be 0 or 1. Yeah, because that's how we identify values in binary: 0 or 1, 0 or 0 and 1. And the divided value is pushed to the next step in a loop until the division is complete. So I have this script that I came up with that I'm going to be using, but let's see if we can actually do this on CyberShip as well. So let's move here, then click on this. Let's type in 42. Okay, so let's take this back. So we're moving from decimal into binary. So let's see, from decimal binary. This is, so that was actually easy. I mean, so let's copy on this. Let's see if it actually works, by the way. So copy and write in here again with the picoctf. Submit. Oh, that didn't work. That's incorrect. So we'll move on to my script. So here I'm going to copy. Let me show it to you. So let's move into terminal. Again, still a Python script. So let's click on this. So let's say nano. So this is the text editor in your terminal. So nano, let's call it decrypt.py. Enter on it and then paste it. So here we have, so we're going to ask for a base 10 number and turn it into an integer. So the number is, so number equals to input, number integer input. So enter the base 10. So this is prompting the user to input the number that they need to be. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, the number that needs to be converted into binary. And this is the function. So if the number is 0, binary, the binary result will be 0. And else the binary result is not 0 here now. So we have a loop that's going to go on until we get 0 on the last digit that remains. So while the number is greater than 0, the remainder is still get the remainder. So if we get a remainder, so 0 or 1, yeah, so the binary result string remainder plus the binary, so it's going to be passed on until we get a 0 in the complete division of it by 2. And then we're going to print the binary representation, binary result here. So let's save this. Control C, Control X, and Control. And then yes. So now we have to run the script. So Python 3, and then decrypt by hit enter on it. So we have to enter our base 10 number, which is 42. Hit enter on it, and then we have our binary as 100. Let's copy image here. Hey, do you notice something off? Wait, before pasting, let's try and eliminate this one. Yeah, so apparently we still got the correct answer, but anyway, so this space limit, okay, yeah. Also, this was in 8 bits, so technically we still have the correct answer, because this one we have the last two zeros over here. Fill this up from 6-bit to 8-bit format. So if we change this to, let's say, 6-bit, we get the correct answer. But yeah, so cyberchef.io still works, and there's no need to taking your time cramming the script. You can simply use cyberchef.io, but just know how to use it, and you'll be safe. So yeah, that's another flag we got, and that's how capture the flag labs are, as easy as that.